Reaching for the stars. The dream of space travel has always been about pushing boundaries, exploring the unknown, and reaching for the stars. The promise of hot staging. This innovative technique could be the key to unlocking new frontiers in space exploration. Space travel is hard. It takes immense power to break free from Earth's gravity. The sheer force required to propel a spacecraft into orbit is staggering. Rockets are complex machines. They need to be as light as possible. Every component must be meticulously designed and assembled to ensure maximum efficiency and safety. Each stage carries the next stage. This multi-stage approach allows rockets to shed weight as they ascend, making the journey more efficient. Hot staging offers a way to improve efficiency. By igniting the engines of the upper stage while the lower stage is still firing, we can streamline the transition between stages. In this technique, the engines of the upper stage ignite while the lower stage is still firing. This continuous thrust reduces the time spent coasting and maintains momentum. This eliminates a brief period of coasting, saving weight and increasing payload capacity. By optimizing every second of the launch, we can carry more equipment and supplies into space. It's a risky maneuver, but the potential rewards are enormous. Engineers must carefully calculate and execute each step to ensure success. Hot staging promises to revolutionize space travel. By making rockets more efficient, we can reduce costs and increase the frequency of missions. By maximizing efficiency, we can reach new destinations. This means exploring farther than ever before, venturing into deep space, and uncovering the mysteries of the universe. We can dream bigger and bolder. The possibilities are endless, from establishing colonies on other planets to mining asteroids for resources. The journey will not be easy, but the cosmos beckons. With hot staging, we are one step closer to making these dreams a reality. The stars are within our reach, and the adventure has just begun. SpaceX stands out as a leader in space exploration. Their ambition knows no bounds. They envision a future where humanity becomes a multi-planetary species. Starship is their ticket to Mars and beyond. Starship is a fully reusable spacecraft. It's designed to carry crew and cargo to deep space. With its powerful Raptor engines and innovative design, Starship represents a giant leap forward in space technology. Hot staging is an integral part of Starship's architecture. The challenges are daunting, but SpaceX has never shied away from pushing boundaries. They are pioneers, forging a new path in space exploration. Their efforts will shape the future of space travel for generations to come. Initial tests of Starship's hot staging system showed promise. The system worked as intended, demonstrating the feasibility of this complex maneuver. These early successes fueled excitement within SpaceX and the wider space community. The SN8 prototype successfully performed a belly flop maneuver after a high-altitude flight. This test proved Starship's unique aerodynamic control system. The SN15 prototype went even further, achieving a soft landing after a similar flight. These achievements marked important milestones in Starship's development. They demonstrated the potential of hot staging. They showcased SpaceX's innovative approach to rocket design. The future seemed bright. Section 4. Challenges emerge. Anomalies on the launch pad. Space exploration is fraught with risk. Setbacks are inevitable. During a recent test flight, Starship experienced an anomaly during the hot staging sequence. The rocket exploded shortly after liftoff. The exact cause of the incident is still under investigation. Preliminary data suggests a problem with the engine ignition system. This setback highlights the challenges inherent in developing such a complex system. Despite the setback, SpaceX remains committed to hot staging. They understand that failures are opportunities to learn and improve. The company's engineers are hard at work analyzing data and identifying the root cause of the anomaly. Section 5. Engineering solutions. SpaceX's quest for reliability. SpaceX has always been at the forefront of space exploration, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Their relentless pursuit of innovation is matched only by their commitment to reliability and safety. SpaceX is known for its iterative design process. This approach allows them to rapidly prototype, test, and refine their technologies. Each iteration brings them closer to their goal of creating the most reliable and efficient spacecraft possible. They learn from each test, both successes and failures. Every launch, whether it ends in triumph or setback, provides invaluable data that informs future designs. This cycle of continuous improvement is at the heart of SpaceX's engineering philosophy. The recent anomaly has prompted a thorough review of the hot staging system. This system is crucial for the seamless transition between rocket stages during flight. Ensuring its reliability is paramount for mission success. Engineers are exploring several potential solutions. They are leaving no stone unturned in their quest to enhance the system's performance. From hardware modifications to software updates, every aspect is being scrutinized. One area of focus is improving the reliability of the engine ignition system. The ignition system is critical for the rocket's performance, and any failure here can have catastrophic consequences. Engineers are working tirelessly to ensure it functions flawlessly. Another is refining the control software that manages the complex timing of the staging sequence. This software must operate with pinpoint accuracy to ensure the smooth transition between stages. Any delay or error could jeopardize the entire mission. SpaceX is also investigating the use of more robust materials in critical components. These materials must withstand the extreme conditions of space travel, from intense heat to high levels of radiation. Finding the right materials is key to enhancing the durability and reliability of their spacecraft. The company's commitment to safety is paramount. Every decision, every design change is made with the safety of the crew and the success of the mission in mind. They adhere to the highest safety standards in the industry. They will not rush the development process. SpaceX understands that achieving reliability takes time and meticulous effort. They are willing to invest the necessary resources to get it right. Every component of the hot staging system will be rigorously tested and retested. This rigorous testing ensures that each part can withstand the stresses of launch and space travel. Only components that pass these stringent tests will be used in their rockets. The goal is to ensure the safety of future crews and the success of future missions. SpaceX's dedication to reliability and safety is unwavering, and it is this commitment that will pave the way for their continued success in space exploration. Section 6. Charting the course, alternative approaches to hot staging. While SpaceX remains committed to hot staging, they are also exploring alternative approaches. This exploration is driven by the need to optimize performance, enhance safety, and reduce costs in their ambitious space missions. One option is to use a slightly less efficient staging method that provides a wider margin for error. This method, while not as efficient, offers greater reliability and can be crucial in missions where precision and safety are paramount. Another is to develop a more powerful first stage that reduces the need for hot staging. By enhancing the thrust and capabilities of the first stage, SpaceX can achieve the necessary velocity and altitude without relying on the complexities of hot staging. These alternatives come with their own challenges and trade-offs. For instance, a more powerful first stage may require significant redesigns and additional testing, which can be both time-consuming and costly. Ultimately, the decision of which path to pursue will depend on a variety of factors, including technical feasibility, cost, and risk. Each approach has its own set of advantages and potential drawbacks that must be carefully weighed. SpaceX's engineers are constantly evaluating new ideas and technologies. They conduct rigorous tests and simulations to ensure that any new approach meets the high standards required for space travel. They are not afraid to think outside the box and challenge conventional wisdom. This innovative mindset is what has allowed SpaceX to achieve numerous milestones in the space industry. Their goal is to find the best possible solution, regardless of how unconventional it may seem. By continuously pushing the boundaries of what is possible, SpaceX aims to revolutionize space travel and make it more accessible and reliable for future generations.